I bought a new Craftsman M100 push mower yesterday with Briggs and Stratton 140cc engine. I have added oil and gas, but when I pull the starter cord the engine starts and then dies about 3 seconds later. What do I need to check?
Have you replaced parts of your Craftsman lawn mower before? If so, how long ago?
Brand new mower right out of the box. All I had to do was adjust the push handle.
How long has this been going on with your Craftsman lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
First day use, I disconnected the fuel line from the carburator to see if gas was flowing, and it was, and then I reattached.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of.
Hello, my name is. I'm happy to assist you with your Craftsman. We will start with the simple stuff and go from there. First, are you priming the mower by using the primer bulb? I have seen a few of these that when new, the bowl needs to come off the carburetor and check to see if the needle is stuck in the up position and not allowing fuel onto the carburetor. Let's start there.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.